I'm about to unplug my car charger and take down my 240 volt receptacle that I set up myself. I just wanted to document what it all looked like. My main reason for taking it all down is just that I'm going to be moving and I'll want to rent or sell the house when I do so. I had installed this myself and I didn't use any particular certified electrician to get it installed. I just did it myself and I did it as cleanly as I could. I think I did a good job, all things considered. Had the right gauge wire, had these PVC pipes to keep it all tidy, had the receptacle right here, and just on the other side, my Juicebox that's worked flawlessly for the last 3 years. But my electric car is sold, I'm moving, and it's gonna come out. You can see it comes down here. There's already this guy that was installed. I think this was for the heat pump that was installed before I moved in. So I kind of duplicated the same thing just right next to it. A little hole where I fed the wires through. This 50 amp circuit breaker is that 240 volts. That supplies the car charger. It would never draw 50 amps in real use, but yeah. Here's the money shot inside. You can see where I fed the wires through that point into the panel. Didn't really do the best job at bending the wires to make them nice and flush like a professional does when they wire a house. But there wasn't any damage, it looks like, to any of the wires at any point, which is a good sign. So I'm happy with it. But again, that guy's gonna go.